Now, you can have some doubts that aren't habitual. So we're going to add the habitual word in. I think that will clarify a lot of things for people here. Habitual doubts or worries. Okay. I think that'll really help your notes if you're looking back at this to clarify some things. Okay. Because a single little doubt may pop in your minds, but you may toss it away, and that wasn't a belief system. Okay. But beliefs are something that, as a thought you keep thinking. A thought can be a doubt. A doubt or a worry is just a thought pattern. That's all it is, right? Or we can go on the other side and we can have empowering beliefs, and those are the things that serve us. Okay. So we're going to add down here, instead of habitual beliefs or worries, we're going to have habitual empowering ideas and thoughts are beliefs that serve us. So if you are getting obsessed by your goal, you are having thought after thought about this goal. It's solidifying into a belief, and that belief will start to expect that thing to happen. Receiving. We'll go into that. Okay. See how this puzzle pieces together with our entire program and what we're doing here? Why repetition over and over and over of thought patterns are so important of you creating your future? That's why one thought doesn't create your future. That's why setting a goal is not the process. It's why listening to one YouTube video for 2 days isn't going to do anything. It's going to open some awareness up, but you will never move to the belief level in order to receive this next desire. It will stay in the asking mode. You will not be ready vibrationally for the thing until you start to get into faith, until you start to get into the expectant attitude and the trusting into the universal power that it's coming towards you, and believing in yourself that you are the one to receive this thing. I know I'm saying a lot. I hope you're grabbing everything that you can, and of course this is recorded. Okay. Mario says this is real great info. Love it. Love it, Mario. Very glad you're real in alignment with this. This is good. So let's keep moving here. Any questions so far? Just before I keep moving, I know I'm doing a lot right now. So everyone got it? Okay, a couple of yeses. Okay. Let's keep going here. We create new beliefs through suggestion. That's a faith chapter. Think and Grow Rich. Now he has a auto-suggestion chapter as well. We create new beliefs through suggestion. Over and over and over into our mind. That's what suggestion is. An idea that we deliberately put over and over and over and over until it becomes a belief pattern. Then off that over and over and over idea solidifies into a conviction. Okay. You have it. You know it's happening. That's that inner knowing. It's here. It's done. It becomes the normal, natural, next logical thing to happen. Okay. When the feeling of you earning the amount of money that you want to earn becomes the next natural, logical step in your mind, and you feel that way, not you think it, you feel it, it will show up in your life that day, that week, that month. Okay? Just give me a quick hand raise since everyone got this so far. Everyone good to go? Understanding it all, puzzle piecing together? You got like 20 hands, almost everybody. Love it. Okay. Any questions so far? Okay. Conviction is faith. That's faith. When you have conviction, you don't have doubts and worries. You are living in faith. And we're going to add, I know it's going to be a little crunch in there, but that's okay. We're going to trust, most of you said in the chat box there, in the universe, in the infinite, in yourself. You just kind of just let it go. You just kind of say, you know what? I know this is going to happen. And I don't care about doubting and worrying. I have phenomenal knowledge about how this universe works. I know it works. I've seen it show up. I've seen other people's results show up. So you tell yourself, I know this works. The law of gravity works. Why would anything else work differently? And then it becomes the normal, natural, next logical thing to happen. Okay? Okay. Pretty good. All right. Let's go over to receiving. What do you think receiving is? How do you receive? That's a good thing to know. How do you receive the good that you desire? Your goal, your income, the great things, the dream house, the dream lifestyle, the freedom. How do you receive that? Cleo says allowing, being in gratitude. Great. Walter, allowing and knowing you deserve it. Excellent. Let it come to you, Bill says. Trust. John says actions prior equal value for value. Great. Celebrate knowing that. From Art, Selena, relaxing into your belief. Art says forgiving, leaving it to a higher power. Okay. Yeah, all of you are chiming in with some beautiful stuff. Liz, allowing the good you desire and knowing it's here. Nick, you are ready. Your expectation, belief, and actions manifest it. Nancy, you work with the laws of the universe. Giving equals receiving, John says. Love it. All right. Very good. Really good. So all of you know this, right? We have to make sure we practice this. We puzzle piece everything together. Receiving. This is all about letting and allowing.